okay, which manufactures computer equipment. Okay. Manufactures computer equipment, and unfortunately the audit senior had to go off on another audit before she could draft the letter of internal control for the final audit for the year ended 31 December X1. She has left the following notes on the system. So these are all the notes. So this is called narrative note. Okay, narrative notes. Okay, remember kan? Lupa dah. Okay. And in your document, kita tengok kat sini, you are the audit manager for Auckland, which manufactures computer equipment. Okay, unfortunately, the audit senior, had to go off on another audit before she could draft the letter on internal control. Okay, for the final audit for the year ended. So dia tak sempat buat letter of internal control. Okay, but she has, however, left the following notes on the system. So they already understand, okay, the systems of internal control. Then she have draft this note. So this note is called narrative note. Okay, what on the dispatch of computer one. So this is dispatch of the goods. Yeah, the computer equipment. Sorry, the name company tak ada. Okay, so you are audit manager. Yes, audit manager for Auckland. Yes, the company's name is Auckland. So these are all the business process, okay, in the company. So these are all the business process of the company and all the activities, all the control activities implemented by the company. So the audit manager document based on the understanding of the internal control system. So dia kata customers have to complete a written order. Okay, written order. So this is kind of order, the process of order before any equipment is dispatched. When an order is received, okay, order received, Miss Lee in the sales section send out a pre-numbered dispatch note. Okay, pre-numbered dispatch note. So this is the control exists. Okay, the control exists. Okay, sequential pre-numbered dispatch note. Okay, which in 3 parts. Okay, to Miss Lang in the inventory room. Okay, the goods are delivered by one of the company's delivery team who takes with him a copy of dispatch note. So deliver people, okay, in the company, okay, will bring together the dispatch note, okay, the pre-numbered dispatch note, okay, and while distributing the goods to the customer. Okay, one copy of the dispatch note is sent to Mrs. Ravi, Mrs. Roll in the financial account section, and Miss Lang keeps a third copy. So there is two two control exists here. So put in your notes, okay, control exists. Okay, it's not yet the answer, but you should, okay, identify first what are the control exists for the dispatch of computer equipment. So the first control exists is sequential, okay, pre-numbered, okay, pre-numbered dispatch, good dispatch note. That is the control exists. Second, there is a segregation of duties. So these are the control exists. Okay. So you have to question the must be exist. So what are the control that should be exist? So the control must that should be exist is there must have a proper approval on the sales order. So yang kat sini tak ada proper approval. So yang kat sini you have to highlight. Okay, you put star ke whatever when you read the question. So proper approval. Okay, you put question mark. Okay, you put question mark means that ada ke tak ada proper approval. So when you read back, when you answer letter, you have to ask yourself, okay, is there any proper approval? So that is the kind of ICQ question. So is there any proper approval on the sales order? So if no, so means that is a deficiencies. Okay, so okay, before I forgot, actually when you get this kind of question, okay, you have a case study. Okay, you baca dulu yang atas ni, and then you baca yang bawah terus. Okay, actually what the question require you. Okay, so I forgot tadi sebab mula-mula when you get that, when you get this kind of question, you read the first paragraph. Okay, this paragraph. Okay, to get the idea actually what you are going to do. So actually kat sini dia kata you kena draft letter of internal control. So nak tengok betul ke tidak, pergi kat bawah. Okay, required. Prepare a management letter highlighting deficiencies in the company sales system and make recommendation about improvement that can remedy those deficiencies. Oh, betul. So the company, the question require you to prepare a management letter. Okay, management letter. Okay, what happened? Okay, management letter. Okay, is a letter of internal control. So what are the content? Highlighting deficiencies and make recommendation about improvement that can remedy those deficiencies. So it content of deficiencies, the implication, okay, and the recommendation. So baru you pergi kepada dia punya cerita. So you must be able to identify what is the deficiencies. So first you have when you want to identify what is deficiencies, so you must find out what are the key control. That's not as if. What are the missing of the key control or what are the absence of the key control. So kat sini kalau nak dapatkan absence of the key control, you identify first what is the control exists. So kat sini you already have sequential pre-numbered, good dispatch note and segregation of duties. Okay. Ready? Okay, this one. And then go next. Okay, if the goods are not in stock, okay, if the goods are not in stock, so actually there is there must have a segregation of duty to check the availability of the goods in the stock, in the store. Okay, so what happened? Miss Lang sent one copy of dispatch note to the customer together with a note, okay, of when the inventory is likely to arrive. So this is what the company practice. She places the second copy in the awaiting goods file and destroy the third copy. Okay, so when the goods arrive in inventory, Miss Lang notifies Miss Lee, sending her the second copy of the previous dispatch note. Okay, so Miss Leah places this copy in the cancelled dispatch file and make out a new dispatch note which is then processed in the usual way. So kat sini apa yang agaknya the control missing? What are the actions of the key control here? Okay, when they want to do the adjustment, there is no, this is cancel dispatch file. Okay, new dispatch notes, which is then processed in the usual way. So, okay, you see that Miss Lia, okay, that there's no independent check on her work. So, you can put here, okay, no independent check. Okay, on Miss Lia work. Itu pun boleh you jadikan satu witnesses. Okay, billing. Okay, any question? Any question, class? Class? Pika? Are you okay?
Yes, I'm okay.
Semua senyap. Ada tak di dalam kelas ni? Okay, faham tak?
Faham.
Okay, so now billing pula. Okay, billing process. Okay, when the second copy of the dispatch note of a completed order arrive in the financial account section, Mrs. Roll prepares a 2-copy invoice. Okay, so this is preparing the invoice. Okay, remember, okay, what should the control should be exist when prepare the invoice? Okay, they must match, kan? Matching the order with matching the order and GDN. Okay, so ada tak kat sini? So kalau tak ada, dia akan jadi deficiencies. Okay, so Mr. Rowe prepare a 2-copy invoices. Okay, so first the control should exist matching the order and good receipt note and pre-numbered sales invoice. Ada tak pre-numbered sales invoice? And ada tak proper authorization? Okay, so these are the control that should exist for billing. So Mr. Rowe prepare a 2-copy invoice. Ada pre-numbered tak? So dia tak ada kan? Dia tak nyatakan sama ada is there any pre-numbered document. So if there is no pre-numbered document means potential of the deficiencies. So no sequential. Okay, no sequential. Okay, no sequential. Okay, pre-numbered invoice. So that is the deficiencies. And then the section supervisor Mr. McGillivray confirm the details of the invoice. 1 copy is sent to the customer and 1 copy filed in the financial account section. Mr. Roll post the invoice detail to the receivable ledger each week to the receivable ledger control account. So this is the batch transaction. Okay, so batch transaction because they buat each week. So each week ni the batch transaction. So normally, okay, kalau dia buat batch transaction, how the company is to make sure that the batch is completed. So they must have the independent review, independent check, independent review. Review ni check lah, okay, of the work done by Miss Bamsi ni. Okay, because that is involved the batch total. Okay, that is on billing. Okay, on the receipt of the payment. So dia dah hantar customer, dia dah hantar tadi invoices. So what is the receipt of the, okay, in terms of the receipt, customer check are received in the company's post room and check received each day are added up. So dia ada buatlah check listing. Okay, check listing dia ada. The check and at least are sent to Mrs. Roll who post the payment into the receivable ledger. So Mrs. Roll ni dia jaga account, dia post to the receivable ledger. The check are banked by Mrs. McGillivray on her way home. So Miss Bamsi enter the total money received in the cash book and receivable ledger control account. So this is a receipt. So is there any weaknesses identified here in terms of the receipt? Okay, the check are added, so this is updated. The check are banked by McGillivray on her way home. So maksudnya setiap harilah Miss Benson enter the total money received in the cash book and receivable ledger control account. And you look at to the job of Mrs. McGillivray. So dia confirm the details of invoice, and then she also bank in the check. So is there any segregation of duties? So what is the procedure for the receipt? They must have a segregation of duties between the person who involved in the invoice and the person who bank in the check. So kat sini ada no segregation of duties. Okay, so I put here no segregation of duties. Okay, no segregation of duties. So this is deficiencies. In terms of Mrs. McGill, apa nama dia? So panjang-panjang tu lah. Okay, no segregation of duties. And then in terms of the reconciliation, every month Ms. Gallen, who is the head of finance account section, reconcile the receivable ledger and receivable ledger control account. So means there is so this is the control, the strength about the control exists. So Ms. Gallen will as the head of financial account section reconcile the receivable ledger and receivable ledger control account. So there is a segregation of duties between the person who in charge tadi, Bamse, and the Miss Gallen do the reconciliation. So there is a proper segregation of duties between Miss Bamse and Miss Gallen. And then, okay, and the reconciliation is done every month. So that is actually the control exists. So you identify a few weaknesses here. Okay, you dah identify a few weaknesses. So means that there is no proper approvals on the dispatch note. Okay, there is no independent check on the work done by Miss Lia. Okay, because Miss Lia can do the adjustment. Okay, can cancel the notes, dispatch note, and make out a new dispatch note without any proper approval. And then for the billing, no sequential pre-number invoice and no independent review by the work done by who? Mr. Roll. Okay. No independent review on no independent review on the batch transaction done by Miss Bamsi, and no segregation of duties done by Mrs. McGillivray. Okay, so you already identify these witnesses. So what should you do next is you have to find out what is your Okay, what should you do next is you think on implication. Okay, implication. So I give one example here. Okay, so we take one example here on dispatch of computer equipment. Okay, dispatch on computer equipment. Okay, deficiencies is okay for the dispatch of computer equipment. Okay, so you state the deficiencies. Okay, what is the deficiency just now? Okay, there is no proper approval is applied. Okay, no proper approval okay is applied okay when the apa salang okay when apa when the dispatch not prepared by siapa prepare dispatch not when the dispatch not prepared by prepare Miss Lia. Sorry. When an order is received, means that in the sales section pre-numbered. Okay. Okay, prepared by Miss Lia. Okay. No proper approval is applied when the goods dispatch notes prepared by Miss Lia. Okay, in department apa? In sales section. Okay, in the sales section. Okay, so this is the deficiencies. Okay, deficiencies. Okay, deficiencies. So what is the implication? Okay, implication. Okay, the good dispatch might be okay, the good dispatch. So this is the implication, the potential of material misstatement. Potential of material misstatement. Okay, the goods dispatch, okay, dispatch to the customer. Okay, you have the word might be wrong or might be different. Okay, might be different. Okay, might be different. Okay, or from the order. Okay, so the good dispatch to the customer might be different or wrong from the order, from the sales order. Okay, so that is the implication, potential or wrong, potential of material misstatement. So what is your recommendation? Okay, your recommendation. Okay. Okay, Miss Lia, okay, should refer to the Miss Lia should refer to the sales order. Okay, before preparing the goods, dispatch notes, and you can put in bracket GDN because this is the second time you do, and the GDN should not spell in short form, and the GDN should being approved by higher personnel. Okay. So that is your recommendation. So how you are going to do how you are going to answer and put in the letter of internal control. So you must first state so yang ni on the top. Okay, you put it first. So dispatch of computer. Okay, and deficiencies. Okay, deficiencies. One is deficiencies. 2 is the implication. Okay. Okay, 2 is the implication. So 2 Romans. And third is recommendation. So any question? The most important thing is you cannot copy what you have in the case. Okay, any sentence cannot be copied from the case. If you copy the whole sentence from the case, you are not entitled for the mark. Okay, any question? You have to restructure your own sentence. Okay, any question? Boleh tak buat your own sentence? So after this, I want you to do your own answer, okay, regarding the question that I share you just now. Okay, please do as I teach you how to do. Okay, don't look at. That's why I copy the question and ask you to do by your own. You start practice from now because okay, I want you to avoid of copying any sentence from the case. Sebab kalau you copy the sentence exactly, okay, word by word from the case, you are not entitled for the mark. So penat je you tulis. Okay, ada soalan? Ada soalan tak? Senyap je ni. Susah ke apa tu? Senyap je? No.
Tak ada soalan.
Tak ada soalan. Tak ada soalan okay, so tak apa, kita break dulu 30 minutes. So after that you do the exercise as what you have in the books. Okay, but do not copy. Okay, so rehat dulu setengah jam. Okay, so see you back at 11:06. Okay, 11:06. Okay. Okay, rehat dulu, take a break. Okay, thank you guys.
Thank you, madam.
Thank you, madam.
Thank you, madam.